and welcome to the recap video from week 1 of Dance Movement 101 on Saturday mornings, January 2020. The first thing that we did was a rhythmical and stepping exercise. We practiced stepping on every 8 counts of music. We went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then switch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We did that for a whole phrase of music. We did counts 1 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We did every other beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we did every beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We talked about how when we do every other beat, 1, 3, 5, 7, that those are called slows, and when you do every beat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, those are called quicks. So I gave you some rhythms that mixed quicks and slows that you might see in a partnered class or in a jazz class here at RVAswing. First one was what I'm going to be calling our Lindy Hop Basic, but it's really just a pattern that's very commonly taught to you in a beginner level Lindy Hop class. And that pattern goes quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. I'm going to show it from the side and then from the back. I'm starting with my right foot. I'm going quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Back, replace, change. Forward, replace, change. Back, replace, change, and forward, replace, change. From the back, it looks like right, and left, right, left. Quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow. Using the left foot, it would look like left, and a right, left, right. Quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow. From the side with the left foot, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Back, replace, wait, and right, replace, wait. Then we did the same rhythm but to the side, so it's kind of like a baby version of a mambo step, which is a jazz move, and that goes quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. But that was less important than the thing that was before it if you are trying to prepare yourself for a swing class. Then I gave you another rhythm, and that rhythm was quick, quick, slow, slow. And this is a rhythm that you'll also learn in a beginner Lindy Hop class that would be corresponding to your 6-count swing basic. And so this one, I'm going to stand on this little line so you can kind of see that I have this little home base here. I'm going to go quick, quick, slow, slow. So that's quick, quick, step, step from the back using my right foot. Quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. From the back using my left foot. Quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. From the side using my left foot. Quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. So we talked about how each of those is really a step, right? That should produce a sound on the floor, rather than kind of tapping your toe or lunging or other ways of cheating your rhythm. Then we worked on putting those two things together to music. So we did 4 6-count basics and then 1 8-count basic, and then repeated again because it made one phrase of music. So I'm going to put on the song that we used. I'm going to demonstrate that using my right foot, and then I'm going to switch and use my left foot, and I will make sure that I vocalize when I do those things so you know which one. Yeah, practice both, but if you are preparing for a swing partnered class and you want to lead, practice the patterns that start on your left. If you are preparing for a swing partnered class and you want to follow, practice the patterns that start on your right. we did a few jazz moves, just for fun, because there were several of you who had noted on your registration form that you were just looking to take a dance class for fun. So we learned a jazz square. So I'm going to turn around. I'm standing on my left. I'm going to go across with my right, back with my left, side with my right, forward with my left. Across, back, side, and forward. Go across, back, side, and forward. Slow, 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 slow. If I was going to do that on the other side, I'd start by standing on my right, take my left foot across, take my right foot back, take my left foot side, right foot forward. Across, back, side, and forward. Go across, back, side, and forward. Then we did a move called fall off the log. We talked about at its heart, a fall off the log was just kick, walk, 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 kick, walk, 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 kick. Things that make it fancy are that the kick happens on count 8 rather than on 1, and that we usually make a shape of some kind when we kick, and that also as we move, our kicks go from one corner of the room to the next corner of the room. So like a garden sprinkler, yeah? So with counts, that would look like 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I believe that's everything that we covered in class. If you missed the first class, most important things to work on are your quick, quick, slow rhythm that moves forward and back, right? Back, forward. And then also your quick, quick, slow, slow rhythm, yeah? Quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. We'll review those, but we're going to be moving on and putting some different rhythms on top of them to prepare you to take an intro to swing class. All right, thanks guys. See you next week.